Hi everybody, I'm Owen Rosansky, KD3ALD. I'm from Shahola, PA, and I'm a sophomore computer engineering student at the University of Scranton. So this is my poster. It is taking local data from the HamSCI personal space weather station, processing it, and then formatting it and outputting it to a web map and table for ham radio contesters and DXers to aid in their efforts to try and maximize score in contests and maximize number of DX contacts.
I'm Ryan Boltz. I'm a radio scientist at MIT Haystack Observatory. Not a ham, but maybe soon. What I did is Radio Conda, which is a distribution of software radio packages, and it makes it very easy to install. So if you've ever had issues installing radio software, come to Radio Conda. I have all of GNU Radio, I have a few things on top of that, but I'm looking to expand into the ham community. So if you're interested at all, go to github.com/radioconda and come find me.
Hello everyone, my name is Ruske Takato, JI1BHV from Tokyo. I'm a freshman, and I observed sporadically by using FT8 on 6 meter band, and I'm mapping the horizontal structure of sporadically by using FT8. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jor Pacini, KD2ZHK. I'm a research engineer at the New Jersey Institute of Technology. I'm developing a low-cost, low-power chirp ionoson for studying the ionosphere. And we're using a simple, affordable red Pitaya SDR to sound the ionosphere and calculating virtual layer height. And ultimately our goal is to prove that these are reliable and accurate compared to more professional systems, so that any amateur radio operator can set one up at their station in order to hopefully expand our coverage of the ionosphere.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Rizzo, KC3EEY. This is the HamSCI Whistler Catcher Reception System. This system allows any radio amateur and citizen scientists to install this in their backyard. It captures very important space weather data and lightning location data for lightning location systems, and can also be used with VLF amateur transmissions as well.
Hello, my name is Obin. I'm a graduate student at the Harvard Department of Physics. We are studying the ionospheric propagation from the WWV time signal. We are measuring faceability and amplitude fading using IQ data from our one-loop and two-loop magnetic loop antennas. We're using this to measure faceability and amplitude fading in the hopes of creating a real-time adaptive radio. That is to select for the best frequency in order to maximize our signal strength and stability.